Okay. Next, 16th instruction RLC. RLC, rotate accumulator content, rotate accumulator content left without carrying, Here the given accumulator content, it will move the single bit position. It will move the single bit position towards left without carry status. The format this is for D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6 and D7, and this is for carry. Here the D7 bit data to move carry as well as D0 bit. The D0 bit data to move D1 and D1 data to move D2 and D2 data to move D3, D3 to D4, D4 to D5, D5 to D6 and D6 to D7. The D7 data to move carry as well as D0. Here the D7 data to move D0 bit as well as the D7 data to move CY carry status, and then DN data. N means N position data to move DN plus 1 position. DN plus 1 position. This is the format to move the RLC. RLC means rotate accumulator content left without carry. It will move the single bit position. That is D7 data to move D0 as well as D7 data to move the carry, and then DN data means suppose D0 data to move D1 position. The D1 data to move N means here the 1 plus 1 equal to 2. The D1 data will move the D2 position. It will move the single bit movement. Suppose example 97H. Example 97H, and then carry 1 after RLC. It will move the single bit position. Here 97 1 0 0 1 7 0 1 1 1. This is for D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6 and D7, and carry. Here the carry 1. Okay, after RLC, the D7 data to move carry as well as D0 position. Next, the D0 data it will move into D1 position. D1 position data to move D2, like that. The D6 data to move D7. After RLC, what will be the accumulator content result? Here, this is for D7, D6, D5, D4, D3, D2, D1, D0. Okay, it will rotate the accumulator content left towards left side. Okay, D7 data D7 data to move D1 position. What will be the D7 data? 1. 1 to move here. Already D1, 1, it will move to D1. Next D1 data move D2. D2 data move D3. Next D3 data to move D4. Next D4 data move D5 1. And D5 data move D6. And D6 data to move D7. Okay. And then carry here already 1. It will move the D7 data 1. This is the format for RNC. Rotate accumulator content left without carry. The carry data it will not move. Only it will move the accumulator content. It will move the accumulator content towards left single bit movement. Single bit movement. After RNC, what will be the accumulator result? This is for 2 and this is for M. Now, accumulator result after RNC to M. This is the operation of RNC. Accumulator content, rotate accumulator content left without carry status. Okay. Next, 70 RRC. RRC means rotate accumulator content right without carry status. Without carry status. This is the operation of RRC. It will rotate the accumulator content towards right without carry. It will move the single bit movement towards right side. Right side. The bit format this is for CY. D0, D1, D7, D6, D5, D4, D3, D2, D1 and D0. And this is for carry. Rotate accumulator content right. Right means the D0 data. D0 data to move D7. It will move the right side. The D0 position data to move D7 as well as CY also. Next D7 data to move D6, D6 data to move D5, D5 data to move D4, D4 to move D3, D3 move D2, D2 move D1 and D1 data to move D0 position. For D0 data to move D7 position as well as D0 bit data to move the carry also. Next D n plus 1 position data. D n plus 1 position data to move Dn position. Suppose the D7 data to move Dn means we can subtract with the n position. It will move D7 data to D6 position. This is the operation of rotate accumulator content right without carry status. Without carry status. Suppose accumulator equal to 57H. 57H. 57 means 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay. This is for D0 bit. D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6 and D7. And carry, suppose initially 0, carry. Okay. Now after R or C, rotate the accumulator content right. That is D0 bit data to move towards D7 as well as carry. The D7 data to move D6, D6 to move like that. After R or C, what will be the accumulator? This is for D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6 and D7 and carry. Okay? Here the D0 data to move carry as well as D1. 1. This is for 1 and this is for 1. Next D7 data to move D6. D7 data 0. 0 to move D6. D6 data to move D5. 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. After R and C, the accumulated result. This is for 1, 1, 1, 0 means E and 1, 0, 1, 1 means B. Now register A equal to E. This is for B. This is the result after R or C instruction in accumulator. Rotate accumulator content right without carry status. It will not move the carry bit position anywhere. Okay? Waiting instruction RAL. RAL means rotate accumulator content left with carry status also. It will move the carry bit position also. And previous one, it will not move the carry bit position data. It will, here RAL means it will rotate the carry status also to move some other position. RAL means rotate accumulator content rotate accumulator content left with carry also it will rotate. Example, this is a bit format. This is for carry D7, D6, D5, D4, D3, D2, D1, D0. Okay? Rotate accumulator content left with the carry. The D7 data to move carry position and then the carry data to move towards D0 position. And then D0 data to move D1 position, D1 data to move D2, D2 to D3, D3 to D4, D4 to D5 and D5 to D6 and D6 to D7. This is the format for rotate accumulator content with the carry. The carry also it will rotate. But previous one it will not rotate the carry bit position. It will rotate only the accumulator content. Here it will rotate the accumulator with carry also. Okay? Here the D7 bit data to move the carry status and then the carry bit data to move the D0 position and then DN position data to move Dn plus 1 position. Dn position. D7 data to move carry and then carry data to move D0 position and then D0 data to move Dn position. That is D0. D0 means 0 position data to move D1 position. Okay, this is the operation of rotate accumulator content left with the carry. What purpose we are using this one? It will check the particular bit position whether it is carry or not. The particular, suppose the D4th bit, the D4th bit data whether it is carry or not. That is 0 or 1. For that we have to check whether it is carry or not. For that, we have to rotate the D4th position to carry. Now the carry status will be checked whether it is 0 or 1. If 1 means the D4th position will be carry. Now the D4th data to move the carry, here the D4th data 0, now the carry will be reset condition. Okay, whether the particular bit position data will be carry or not. For that, we have to check this type of instruction. Example, A equal to 24H, accumulated data 24H. This is for carry position D7, D6, D5, D4, D3, D2, D1 and D0. Here, initial accumulator 24 and carry equal to 0 and carry equal to 0. This is for carry 0. Initially 24 means 0, 0, 1, 0. This is for 2, 4, 0, 1, 0, 0. Okay, this is the bit position. After or AN, after or AN, after or AL, it will rotate the accumulator content left towards carry status also. Now D7 data to move carry, and then carry bit data to move D0 position, and D0 to move D1, D1 to D2, D2 to D3, like that it will do the single bit position. After RAL, what will be the result? This is for moving to 0, this is for carry, and the 0 will be moved to here, this 0 move to here, and this 0 move here, and then this is for 1 position, this is for 0, and this is for 0, and this is for 1, and 0 move to here, and this 0 will be moved. After RAL, what will be the accumulator result? This is for 8, and this is for 4. Now, A register, A equal to 48 after RAL instruction. Before RAL 24H, after RAL, now accumulator result will be 48. Now the carry will be 0. Before also 0 and after also 0. What purpose you are using means, this is for to rotate the accumulator content left and also to check the carry status, whether it is set or reset condition. For that we can use this type of instruction. Next, last instruction in logical instruction set or AR. AR means rotate accumulator content right with the carry. Rotate accumulator content with rotate accumulator content right with the carry. Bit position CY D7 D6 D5 D4 D3 D2 D1 D0. Here rotate accumulator content right. Right means this side. D0 bit data to move carry, and then carry data to move D7. The D7 data to move D6, D6 to D5, D5 to D4, D4 to D3, D3 to D2, D2 to D1, D1 to D0. This is the format for to move the accumulator content right with carry also. Okay. Here the D0 bit data to move carry, and then the carry data carry data to move these 7 position, and then dn plus 1 position data to move dn position. N means number. Suppose 5th position, 5 plus 1 6, d6 data to move d5. Okay, this is the operation of RER, rotate accumulated content right. It will move the single bit position with carry also. Or RC means rotate accumulator content right without carry. It will move the only accumulator content. But RER means rotate accumulator content as well as the carry status also. The carry status also it will rotate. Example 16H in accumulator. Here 16H means this is for CY carry, D7, D6, D5, D4, D3, D2, D1, D0. Okay, 16 and carry equal to 1. Carry 1 and accumulator content 16. Okay, now to initialize the data, carry 1, accumulator 16. 16 is 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. 6 means 0, 1, 1, 0. This is for 6 and this is for 1 and carry will be 1. After RER means rotate accumulator content right, the D6 bit position data to move the carry and carry data to move D7, D7 to D6, D6 to D5. Like that it will move the single bit position. After AL, in accumulator result, the D6 data to move carry. Now the carry will be 0. The carry data to move D7 1. D7 data move to D6 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. Now this is for carry and accumulated result. This is for 8 and this is for B. Now accumulator it will store 8 B H. This is the result after RER. Before RER accumulator 60, after RER accumulator equal to ABH. Okay, this is the operation of RER. RER will rotate accumulator content right with carry. It will rotate the accumulator content as well as the carry status also. There are 4 instruction in rotate: RLC, RRC, RAL, RAR. Okay, these two for rotate accumulator content left, right without carry. And these two for rotate accumulator content left, right with carry. The carry also it will rotate. Okay, this is the operation for rotate instruction. Rotate there are 4. Okay, logical instruction set over. Simple program. Write a program for 2's complement. Write a program for 2's complement. Here the 2's complement equal to 1's complement. 1's complement plus 1 plus 1. Write a program for 2's complement. Here the 2's complement formula: 2's complement equal to 1's complement That result we can add with the 0, 1. Okay, this is logic. For this, we have to write the program. Here the ones complement means what? Here the ones complement is nothing but not operation. Not operation. Not operation. Ones complement means 0 change into 1 and 1 change into 0. Okay? Here the not operation. In the logical instruction set, what instruction we can use for not operation? We can use a CMA, complement the accumulator content. Whatever data in accumulator, it will complement. Complement means 0 change into 1 and 1 change into 0. It will complement only the A register content, not some other register content. Okay? This is for ones complement. After ones complement, we have to add with a 0, 1. The result add with a 0, 1. Okay? Now, this result to store 4600 H address location. Okay, the 2's complement result. The 2's complement result to store this address location. The 2's complement formula, 1's complement plus 0, 1. The 1's complement is nothing but not operation. In logical instruction, the not operation, we can use the complement of the accumulator content. Complement the accumulator content. 0 change into 1 and 1 change into 0 only for A register content, not some other register content. That result we can add with the 0, 1. Okay? Here A register 07H. A register 07H. Now to initialize the A register 07H and then complement the accumulator content. That result we can add with the 0, 1. 0, 1. Okay. First we have to initialize the A register 07. How to initialize the 07 data immediately to move into A register? For that we can use MVI A, 07H. This is the format for we can initialize the 07 data in A register. Okay? Data will be immediately to move A register. Now A register 07. Here the 2's complement, first we have to take the 1's complement, that result we can add with the 0, 1. First we have to find out the 1's complement. Okay, 1's complement we can use the CMA instruction. CMA means complement the accumulator content. Okay, accumulator 07. Okay, we can use CMA. CMA means complement the accumulator content. Accumulator data 07. 07 means 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. Now the complement of A equal to 0 change into 1 and 1 change into 0. Now after CMA, result F8 in A register. Now A register, it will be available F8. Okay, this is for 1's complement result. Next, 2's complement, we can add with the 0, 1 for 1's complement. How to add 0, 1 with the A register? We can use ADI 01H. ADI means add accumulator with the immediately given data. Immediately given data. Accumulator 0, accumulator F8, and we can add with the 0, 1. Immediately given data 0, 1. Now add these two. Result F9. This result always in accumulator. Now result available in accumulator F9. That result to store this address location. Accumulator result we can store 4600. For that we can use STA 4600H and alter the program. This is for 1's complement result and this is for 2's complement result. Now the 2's complement result to store the given address location 46008 and alter the program. This is a basic program for using logic instruction set. Using logic instruction set. The 2's complement is nothing but 1's complement. That result add with 0 1. Okay, thank you.